What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Keeper YouTube channel. My name is Tyra, and I am here to teach you everything you need to know about 1099 taxes. Here on this channel, we create resources for freelancers, independent contractors, gig workers, and anyone else who files or should be filing business taxes. So it's almost impossible to work without a bank account anymore. Luckily, the cost of having a bank account can be a deduction on your taxes. Not sure how to do it? I got you. The first thing you need to know about writing off bank fees is that they have to be connected to a business account. Fees on personal accounts can't be written off, even if you use the account for business purposes. Bank fees also have to be related to your work. I know, I wish I could write off my beach vacation expenses too, but we have to be reasonable. Not only can you not claim bank fees on a personal account, you also can't claim an excessive amount in bank fees. So don't go too crazy. Like the 1991 tax court case Bailey versus Commissioner, where the owner of a laundromat tried to claim $70,000 in overdraft fees, the court was like, nope, that's an unreasonable amount. So Tyra, you told me what I can't do. What types of fees can I write off? I have 5 for you. Number 1, maintenance fees. These are fees like monthly or annual service fees just for having your account. Number 2, overdraft fees. If you happen to trigger any of these while operating your business, assuming you're correctly using your business account for business, then these are all fair game as well. Number 3, transaction and transfer fees. If you wire payments directly to contractors or supplies and incur transaction fees, these are fair game to deduct. Number 4, returned item fees. This happens regularly in the e-commerce space where customers return items they purchased or have their bank reverse charges. These fees are deductible as well. And number 5, foreign transaction fees. If you trigger bank charges while you are traveling for work, ATM fees, or exchange fees on a business trip, these are all eligible to write off. And this is even true if you tack on personal days to your work trip. For example, if you travel to Paris for business purposes and you spend the weekend sightseeing and eating escargot. So now that you know what you can write off, let's talk about how. There's no hard and fast rule for where these deductions need to be reported on your Schedule C, but any of the following options work. Line 10 of your Schedule C, commissions and fees. Line 24A of your Schedule C, which is travel. I will use this only for travel-related bank fees. Line 27A of your Schedule C, other expenses. This spot will allow you to include custom descriptions so you can write in bank fees. Or you can skip the headache and file through the Keeper app. Not only will we find and record the eligible bank fees for you, we'll also import them directly onto the correct line of your Schedule C. So you guys, hopefully this video opened your eyes to new things you could be writing off for your business. Send this video to a friend or a loved one who is always complaining about business expenses. And be sure you are subscribed for more helpful tax tips. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!